This is a gospel song off our first record. Hope you like it. In this sad world we live in, the government bought all the trains. And there's a lot of lonely people, and they're all flying aeroplanes. And they think they're closer to heaven, Lord, and that is far from true. You gotta take that ride on the river of Jordan, see what a boy from Galilee can do. So just hey, ho, and let it go. You're either gonna die young or you live to grow old and go down to the river where the waters flow. And like a southbound train, it's gonna lead you home. And let that Bible belt holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, singing roll on the Jordan, roll. Singing roll on the Jordan, roll. High, roll on. Sad world we live in, boys, it sure can get you down when you can't seem to get your head on straight, your feet back on the ground. But I think every little thing's gonna be alright. It's all gonna be okay, 'cause the sun's still shining over my hometown, and I've got a Savior that knows my name. So just a hey, ho, let it go. You're either gonna die young or you live to grow old and go down to the river where the waters flow. Like a southbound train is gonna lead you home. And let that Bible belt holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, singing roll on the Jordan, roll. Singing roll on the Jordan. And let it go. You're either gonna die young or you live to grow old and go down to the river where the waters flow. Like a southbound train is gonna lead you home. And let that Bible belt holy roll. I got a Baptist choir singing in my soul, singing roll on the Jordan, roll. Singing roll on the Jordan.